To begin the installation, place the electrostatic film on the front windshield. Make sure the surface is completely clean. Next, set up the mount piece by applying the adhesive and attach it to the camera. Grab the camera and find the right location where you want to place it on the windshield. After you have found the right location, remove the adhesive backing from the mount piece and place it on the windshield. Keep in mind, you must let the adhesive sit for 20 minutes before mounting the camera. After waiting 20 minutes and letting the adhesive dry, grab your SD card and insert it in the camera. Then proceed to mount the camera on the windshield. Grab your rear camera from the box. You will want to run the cable through the car's interior all the way from the front windshield to the back in order to not leave any cables hanging. After, remove the backing from the rear camera's adhesive and place it in the rear windshield. Lastly, plug in the power cable into the cigarette lighter port, then proceed to plug in the rear camera into the dash cam, and finally, connect the power cable. After this last step, your camera will be ready to record on the road.